Let's begin by removing the side, upper, and lower covers. Needle replacement. Remember that the needles should be completely lowered for this procedure. Start by disconnecting the needle support arm. Remove the cotter pin and then the engagement pin. Now remove the upper cotter pin and completely remove the support arm. Fully loosen the needle brake screw, allowing free movement of the needles. To remove the needles, it is necessary to loosen all 3 fixing screws. Remember that the process done with the first needle must be repeated for the second needle. There you go. Needle released and removed. In detail, you can see the channel where the sisal or nylon thread runs. Place the needle back into the support, doing a preliminary tightening of its screws. Note that the needle is not completely tight, not even centered. Center the needle in the knotter channel. After centering the needle with the knotter channel, tighten the screw with the nut. Tighten all screws again to ensure a better fixation of the needle, although it is not yet the final tightening. Replace the needle support arm so that its flat sides are facing the front of the machine. And the end of the arm containing the shear screw faces upwards. Replace the upper cotter pin. Once again, note that the flat side of the arm is facing the front of the machine. Replace the lower pin and its respective cotter pin. Needle adjustment. Attention! After replacing the needles, it is essential to check if they are properly aligned and positioned. Let's check. Turn the star wheel to unlock the knotter. And then turn the machine hand wheel until the needle support arm is aligned with the crank in its highest position. Note the alignment of the needle support arm with the crank. Next, we must check, on the other side of the baling tunnel, the distance between the needle support and its final stop. This measurement should be between 15 and 25 mm. Incorrect measurement. Adjustment request. To do this, loosen the nut on the needle support arm, axis, remove the cotter pin and the pin itself. This will make the needle support arm loose at the bottom. To reduce the distance from 35 mm, thread the adjuster so that it rises by about 15 mm, 35, 15 about 20 mm. Then reassemble the needle support arm, insert the pin and its respective cotter pin. Once done, check the measurement again. Now the measurement is within the recommended range. If it were not, the process should be redone. The next step is to check the distance between the needle and the knotter. It should be between 2 to 4 mm. Incorrect measurement. Adjustment request. For fine adjustment, loosen or tighten the nut-free screws that fix the needles to the support. To reduce the distance, loosen the upper screw and tighten the lower one. Once done, check the measurement again. And to facilitate visualization, we will now use a 3 mm Allen wrench. Note that now the measurement is within the recommended range, 2 to 4 mm. Also see that the needle remains centered with the knotter channel. Thus, it is properly positioned. To finish, make the final tightening on all screws that fix the needle to the support. Also, tighten the safety screw on the arm. Needle brake adjustment. The needle spring length should be equal to the Q plate length, and the adjustment should be made by tightening or loosening the nut. There you go. Note that the spring is now the length of the Q plate. Now all that's left is to reassemble the side covers, and the machine is ready for work. Important, once we have altered the position of the needle support arm, nut, it is necessary to resynchronize the machine. Link to this procedure in this video's description. For the operation of this machine, as well as for any maintenance or repair task, follow the instructions indicated in the manual.